This is your Vikram. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos in KineMaster without watermark. So you need just InShot app. Go to KineMaster first. Add 16:9 ratio. That is the ratio of YouTube videos. So first go to settings and go to editing and make sure that default pan and zoom mode for photo clip is fit in size. Okay, make sure it. If that's not, click on it. I want to edit this video. This is my childhood volcanic eruptions project. In my 5th class I have done it in science day. So click on video and go to pan and zoom, and you can pinch the video now. Zoom in, zoom out the video now. So make sure that your video, the watermark of KineMaster should be in black color, not in your video. And I don't want such editings like keeping it in mobile screens. So I'll layer. Let's keep a background. I want to keep black. Okay. Not black. Okay, I will not keep anything. Export it. Click export and export it. So you can see it's $250 per month and $1,300 per year and 7 days for free. So we shouldn't, it's too costly. So I have already exported it. I will show you in gallery. I will show you that video in gallery. Go to gallery. It's coming. Yeah, click on export, KineMaster export. You can see it. It's in outside the video. It's outside the video. Watermark is outside the video. And now go to InShot. Yeah, open. Go to video and new video and select the KineMaster edited video. And click right. And now you can see that you can crop the video. So now crop the video. And click right button. And so you can see there is no KineMaster, but there is InShot. Click on InShot watermark and remove once. Okay, it's loading. Click outside the box once. Yeah. Now you can see there is no InShot and KineMaster. And click on save. Save. I want 640p. It's initializing. It's converting. So for the proof, I'll go to gallery. And delete the downloaded video. I'm deleting it. So let's see export. We should not delete the export one because it's converting now in the InShot app. So you can see that it's made with KineMaster 1. It will be deleted after this has been converted into new video. So let's wait. It's 12% completed. I'll pause I'll pause. So I have resumed the video. It's 99% completed. Yeah, 100%. And it's saved. Let's see it. I'm going to gallery again. Back. Now you can see in short. Opening the video. So there is no watermark of KineMaster and InShot. So this video you have learned how to edit videos in KineMaster without watermark. So if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel at Tech With Vikram.